Hi friends, in this video we learn how to create a YouTube channel with all new setting and updates. First you open google.com and sign in with your Gmail account. In previous video I create my Gmail account. Now I am going to sign in. After sign in, open www.youtube.com and sign in with same Gmail account. Now on top right corner, click here. After click, a pop-up menu open. Now here we click on create a channel. Now you can see this form. Here you can see name and handle. In this video we are covered only two topics. First, how to create YouTube channel, and second, all YouTube channel setting. You can see here upload picture, that is channel logo. Channel logo and channel art is separate topic. These two topics will cover in separate video. Now come to our this video topic. Enter here channel name. Now you can see as I enter my channel name. Channel handle also available of this channel name. Green tick mark appear. That discussed in my previous video how to select channel name. A detailed discussion available on this topic. Now bottom right corner you can see create channel button. Click on this. Now our channel is created. That is very easy to create channel. Our first topic of this video is done. Now move to channel setting, that is important part. You can see these two options. First is customize channel, second is manage video. Click on customize channel and continue. Now you can see channel customization page. Please focus here. First we click on setting. Here first option is journal. In journal option you can see currency option. Here is drop down list. You can choose currency type, whatever you want. I cannot change this. I am going to default setting, and that is US dollar. Second option is channel. In this option, first tab is basic info. Select your country here. In keywords, you can enter channel tags related to your channel. 10 to 12 channel tags is enough. Now click on advanced setting tab. Now go here according to your channel type. Select this option. I am going to select no. Set this channel as not made for kids. If your channel video is for both elder and children's, select third option. Now scroll down. You can see automatic captions. Tick mark on this. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. Next on under advertisement, disable interest based ads. Leave this option. As it is, don't put check mark on this. Now next under clips, tick mark on this option. Allow viewers to clip my content. Now move to feature eligibility tab. First is standard features, that is enables. Second is intermediate features, and that is video longer than 15 minutes, customize thumbnail, live streaming. To enable this, verify your phone number. Click on verify phone number. Now new page open. Select text me the verification code. Select country. Now you can enter your mobile number and click on get code. A code received on your mobile number. Enter code here and click on submit button. Now you can see here phone number is verified. Now intermediate features available. Now in third advanced features, I will explain to you in separate video. Now you can see here at top there is no community tab. When we complete third step, and that is advanced features, then here community tab show. And now again go to setting option. This time click on upload defaults. Under basic info tab, first is title. We remain this blank because every video has different topic. In description, if you have common lines right here, it will appear in every video automatically. Enter hashtag, channel name, that is common for every video. Now next, visibility. Select this unlist option because every video remain unlisted until to complete my SEO for this video. Then we publish this video. Now common tag of your channel put here like your channel name. Now move to advanced setting tab, tick mark on allow automatic chapters and key moments. And select this standard YouTube license. Select category according to your video or channel niche. Move forward, select language by clicking on this drop down. Now click on this caption certification and select second option. Now click on title and description language. Select this language, whatever you want, according to your video. Now in comment section, select this hold potentially inappropriate and tick mark on this option. First we save this all setting from here. Again we click on setting, click on permissions. We do nothing here. Go to community option. First option is moderator. If you assign moderator jobs to other person, just copy and paste their YouTube channel URL. I remain this blank. Now in approved user option, if you want to approve comment of specific person, copy and paste their channel URL here. Now all comments of that specific person approved without holding a comment. Now in hidden user option, if some person using inappropriate words in comments, you can block them by putting their channel URL here. Now move to block words. Now you can enter all inappropriate words that you want not in comment box. Now tick mark on this block links. Now all links are blocked under your video comment box. Now click on default here. Now we set comment on your channel. Here we check mark on this option. Now click on save button. Now today's topic is completed. We create YouTube channel and also done all setting. I hope you will enjoy this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.